The Power of Empathy Masterclass on masterclass.com with Pharrell Williams and others. Really cool masterclass here. I just kind of stumbled upon this one today. It kind of popped up on my feed. I was unaware it was coming out. So I wanted to talk about it real quick. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know I've done many masterclass review videos. I've watched like 80 masterclasses at the time of making this video. Probably more to come. I just wanted to point out that this is not a Pharrell Williams masterclass solo thing. I hope he has one coming out. I don't know. That'd be really cool to see his masterclass on music and production and stuff like that and other stuff that he does. But anyways, this is about the power of empathy, and they have different instructors, and it is the first masterclass of this kind of sort where they have multiple instructors on doing one masterclass. And this one is actually kind of short. It's 1 hour 39 minutes. I've watched lots of, like I said, I've watched lots of master classes. Some of them are 8 hours long, some of them are 4 hours, some of them are shorter, like this one here. But I really found this one to be interesting because each instructor kind of talks about empathy in a different way. Like Pharrell talks about it in, relating to music and clients that he's working with, and social justice stuff as well. Robin talks about it in like a sports kind of a situation. It's pretty interesting. It's definitely interesting. Is it worth it for masterclass for you to go out and get this class? The thing about masterclasses, at the time of making this video, they have you have to get an annual membership to get your membership. It's just a one fee for the year. So I don't see this class as being one that people are going to buy just for this. To me, it's like a bonus class that comes with it, because you do get all the other classes that are included. There's over 100 classes on Masterclass. So it's definitely worth it in that sense, and many different categories. In fact, all these people in here have their own Masterclass, except for Pharrell Williams. At the time of making this video, if he has one out, I'll definitely have a review on that out as well, because I love to watch his. That would be really cool. So yeah, it's a, like I said, to me, it's kind of more like a bonus class. So yeah, if you have any questions about Masterclass, let me know in the comments below. I am a paying member. I did pay for my membership. However, I also am an affiliate of them. So if you do use my link in the video description below to sign up, I will make a commission and no additional charge to yourself. And this is just, like I said, this is a short video today. And I do have full reviews on lots of other Masterclasses. Just the music section here. I did so many of them, I don't know, I lost count. But anyways, that's a quick video for today. Let me know if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And that's all for now, and I will talk to you soon.